All right, we have our little card game here. Let's see what we get. We stopped here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so $6. And then we'll probably have to use a different color because I would say that we are going to let's see. Let me see if I can find another color marker. That's not going to be... I thought I had a red one. That means we'll know when we're ending on the next time. So let's see. All right, let's roll. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 6. Okay. And 3, 1, 2, 3, $2. I did have a big red marker. Phew, if I could talk. $2 going in there. 3, 1, 2, 3. Another 6. Goodness, today is the 6. That is for sure. We'll do one more. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll do one more. 1. I just did that one, so 5. All right, and we'll stop there. I wanted to use a different one. That means we kind of know where we landed. So 5 going in here. Oops, didn't mean to pull that off. Let's see. Oops. Put this back on. This game is a slow and steady one. So let's see how much we've got here. We have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. That's going to be a good chunk of money to go towards that.